Hi, hello, and welcome back to our channel T3G Facts. Today, we are going to dive deep into the world of the Sony X77l TV and explore how it works. Before we move on further, I've already done a video on unboxing the Sony X77l TV. If you haven't watched it, please go and check the link in the description below. So let us move on and I'll give you a brief overview of the Sony X77l TV. This Sony X77l is a feature-packed television known for its stunning 4K resolution, HDR support, and a range of smart features that bring entertainment to a whole new level. I've already mentioned in the last video, this is 50-inch large screen size direct lit LED Google TV, has a voice control built in. Basically, what is a Google TV? It is nothing but is a user interface which is running on top of Android TV but with a different look and feel. The Google TV is pre-installed in Sony X77l. So you need not require an extra TVs like Roku TV or Apple operating system TV and so on. This Google TV ensures that users can access most viewed and recommended content directly from home screen. To talk about powering on and off, it's so easy as you can see in the video now. Fixing the TV stand, it's so easy. You just have to put it in place. That's it. And similarly, powering on is so easy. Just you have to plug in the power cord to the socket, and then you can on the power button either with the help of the remote control or the TV itself. It boots up quickly, and you'll be greeted by the Sony logo and the home screen. So as you can see, it is logged in, and you can see the Sony Bravia logo and the welcome screen. Here you have to set up the TV. That is, you have to give the basic settings. That is, whatever it is required, the language and other stuff. You have to just go on, and then step by step you have to complete the process. Once it is done, then your TV is all set to go. Okay, let me talk about the remote control and its navigation now. The remote control is your gateway to the Sony X77L's functions. It includes buttons for volume control, channel selection, and quick access to settings. Apart from that, there are some buttons through which you can quickly navigate to the apps like YouTube, Amazon Prime, Amazon Music, Netflix, and so on. This remote has voice assistant enabled with a mic button through which you can search for apps, games, movies, and shows using voice command. So, to talk about the picture and sound quality, it is amazing. The Sony X77l allows you to customize your viewing experience. You can adjust picture settings like brightness, contrast, and color to suit your preferences. It also includes some of the picture modes like standard, cinema, game, and you can set up according to your preferences. And other than that, as you are seeing in the video, you can set up all the channels and other settings according to your preferences. To talk about the connectivity, I've already mentioned in the previous video that it has multiple output ports through which you can connect various devices. So here I say the same thing. You have various ports through which you can connect various devices, like it can be gaming consoles, it can be Blu-ray players, or streaming devices using the HDMI, USB, and other ports. So there you have it. We have explored how the Sony X77l TV works. From powering it on to customizing picture and sound settings, connecting devices, and enjoying smart features. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the Sony X77l TV's functionalities. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated.